Hey organizers, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alexandra and today's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna walk you through a grocery haul my husband and I did. Yesterday we hit up Costco. Today we went for more of like the produce aspect. So we went to No Frills today and everything we purchased was $94. If you don't have the Flip app, I highly suggest you download it to your phone and I'll insert it here. This is not a sponsored ad at all, but if you're looking to stay on budget, I highly suggest this Flip app. So this is everything we purchased today at No Frills, like I mentioned earlier. So we purchased some spaghetti. It was on sale. I think it was like 50 cents each. And then we just picked up some taco seasonings. Mushrooms, peppers, cheese slices for, you know, those grilled cheese. Grapes were on sale. Actually, we price matched these for 99 cents. The Yogo yogurt was on sale today at No Frills for $1. That was pretty good. My husband loves these baby carrots. The Oasis juice this time was on sale, so we really loved that. We're obsessed with, you know, eating healthy, so iceberg lettuce was a good deal. Always some cauliflower, getting some vegetables in there. Pop. We usually don't drink pop. It sort of lasts us like 2 to 3 months. Then we got some strawberries, some healthy asparagus, eggs, turkey bacon. We've changed from regular bacon to turkey bacon now. Delicious oranges. And then we've got bananas here, which they usually go into this little basket here. We purchased some paper towel rolls. We were out of taco shells, so we had to pick up some taco shells. Chips, and these are mine, my Rice Works. Pretty good. Love the sweet chili heat. And then we kind of splurged and went for chocolate bars. Gotta get those chocolate bars. They were 75 cents, so I'd say that was a pretty good deal. I'm just going to finish off by washing these apples. I like to use warm water and scrub the apples so we know they are clean and ready to eat.
Or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no.
Now that all the food is put away, I'm just going to wipe the fridge and remove any fingerprints with the stainless steel cleaner and polish. We purchased this at Canadian Tire, but you can find it at Walmart.
So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I want it to be.
Finished lunch, so I'm going to wash these dishes. You'll notice the half-cut watermelon is still in the frame. It's my husband's favorite summer fruit, and he cuts it up after I finished shooting this video.
wipe down the counter to disinfect it. But if you use a natural disinfectant product for your counter, let me know in the comment section below. When we purchased the soap dispenser, we noticed it didn't come with a pump, so we improvised and used a plastic straw, and it works perfectly, so I call it a win. Last but not least, I like to wash the sink to remove any stuck on food. Check out my last video. I explain why I put this scrubbing sponge in the microwave.
Thanks for watching. Remember to stay calm and organized.
Keep it shining like the stars we see above.